Hey lovely people, welcome back to my big fat tummy. Today I'm going to show you how to make stuffed burger. So let's get started. First of all, in a tawa I'm taking half tablespoon of butter. When it completely melts down, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of roughly chopped garlic, and after a minute of sauteing I'm adding grated ginger of about half teaspoon. These started showing its magic. Now adding the chopped capsicum. Here I have taken a small sized capsicum. Toss this for about 2 minutes. Keeping this aside, and in a pan, after adding 1 tablespoon of oil, I have cooked the boneless chicken with some chopped onion for 5 minutes. So this is the end product. You can see that the chicken has been cooked properly. Now adding the cooked capsicum, and after tossing for a few seconds, I'm adding about half cup of water so that the entire ingredients amalgamate together to make a good stuffing item. Adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. Then toss this for another minute. After tossing, I am just sprinkling some red chili flakes and some oregano, and cook this under medium to high flame. The mixture has started extracting its juice. Now on that moment I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. If you don't have fresh cream, you can add malai as well. So this is done. At the end I'm just sprinkling some amount of salt, and as per your taste. Then adding some peanuts. This is optional. Let's mix these. So our chicken is ready to get stuffed into the burger. Let's see the preparation for this. I have taken 2 burgers here to show you guys. First of all, you need to cut the half portion of your burger. Please don't cut the entire one, or else it will look like a traditional burger. So just cut half portion. Somehow this will look like this. Now I am spreading the sauce. To make the sauce, I have taken about 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. Spread it on the both sides of the inner portion. Now adding the chicken. I don't know how much you are liking this concept. Please do let me know if you are watching my video that whether this concept is really awesome or not. This concept is totally an experiment for me. So just at the end of the burger, I'm just adding some cheese. So add as much you want. So that's completely done. So this is our stuffed burger. In the same process, I'm doing the other one. You can either microwave this or you can pan toast this. So first of all, I'm showing you over a pan how to do so. For this, you need to brush some oil on the pan, then put the burgers on the top, and then cover this with a lid for about just 2 to 3 minutes. Now showing you the microwave process. For this, you need to cook this for about 1.5 minutes. I have set the time for 1.5 minutes. So let's cook this. I would suggest to microwave your burger before having, as this output is the best one. This is our end product. Please like, comment and share as much as you can, and please do let me know whether this result is awesome for you as well or not. I have burger buns, so I have tried this. Now it's your turn to show me how you are liking this one. Till then, take care.